Hi, this is Brian with WTI. Are you a wood fragrance lover? This bottle of Cyzone Nitro isn't just a cologne for me, it's a time capsule. It takes me right back to being a 14-year-old kid, unwrapping this very present from my aunt Albania. And back then, I was not a fan of cologne. Most of them made me sneeze like crazy. But Nitro was different. It was the first fragrance I truly fell in love with. Maybe it was the way it made me feel, or the way it smelled. I don't know. The woody scent was strong enough to make a statement, but yet subtle enough to not overwhelm. Something that clicked with me. It felt manly, a step up from the kiddie colognes I will have bought before. It made me feel confident, adventurous, ready to take on the world. And even though years have passed, that feeling still lingers every time I catch a whiff of Nitro. It's a reminder that being a man is not about harsh smells or overbearing cologne, but about finding a fragrance that complements you, that makes you feel like your best self. So thank you, Aunt Albania. This fragrance is something that reminds me to the past, to my childhood, and it's a fragrance that stays with me. And that's my point of view.